Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we will be reviewing the Flash Artist acrylic colors. I got it from Amazon and basically it comes in a lot of sizes, but I got the 25 colors 50 ml pack. And basically Flash is an Indian brand, so it does support the idea for local for vocal. So I got these paints way back in December. However, I didn't actually manage to finish the video and now it's February, so yeah, I've been procrastinating a lot. But here I am, and here is like your review for Flash acrylic colors. But here you can see me actually looking at the colors, and I must tell you that one color, that parrot green, is something that is very different from what you get to see in the local brands, because I don't feel that there is that kind of color anywhere in the local market that you would find which would actually match the pigment and the opaqueness of the color that is. And here you can see me swatching on the different colors. If you if you want to see exactly what these colors are, I'll be writing down the names after a while, but here are the colors that I am basically swatching. And let me tell you, it's a very nice idea to swatch all your colors before you actually work on your final pieces, because you will know exactly how a color would perform. Because I have been through it in the past and I wouldn't recommend anyone to go through it. I was doing a painting for a commission work, and somehow I ended up using the colors that I've never used before and didn't know how they would perform, and oh my god, it was disastrous. I had to kind of redo the entire painting all over again. So yeah, it's always a nice idea to swatch all your colors, plus it's a very nice look after you have completed all the swatching. So basically there are only a few colors left, I guess, that I have to swatch, and after that I'll be telling you exactly what I feel about the colors. So here's the swatching done, and I've written all the names of the colors. And let me point out that you can actually see that magenta is quite patchy, then aqua green was quite patchy, and yellow orange, and also the gray. Like, these colors, I found them in the bottle that they were so beautiful, and had they been a bit more opaque it would have been really great. But I don't know what the problem was, they weren't as opaque as the other colors. So there is definitely a lack of constancy of formula that they have been using to formulate these colors. However, nonetheless, the colors are actually really pretty. They're actually pretty opaque. And here is a quick painting using the acrylic colors. Even though some colors, like only 3 out of the 25 colors were actually patchy, and if you kind of you can easily mix them up. So I do feel that it's a great price point for what they for what you get. These colors are actually pretty good. They cover a lot of area without going back and dipping the brush again and again. These do go a long way, and I feel that these colors would last me a great time. So yeah, I was happy with them. Hope you'd enjoy it too.